All right, you're ready to start building your shopping list. There are a number of places where you can search products in the app, but you probably want to start off by looking for items that are actually on sale at your neighborhood Sprouts. So go ahead and tap the weekly ad button. Because you selected your preferred store when you created your account, you'll see weekly specials for your store specifically, including the current price that's in effect. Scrolling through the top menu, you can either search for items by department, or if you tap Top Deals for You, you'll be able to see items that you're most likely to shop for. When you see an item that you like, you can either tap on the image for that item to see additional information, as well as related items to that product, or simply tap the Add to List button. Okay, so you've just finished adding items to your shopping list from the weekly specials. Now tap the menu icon at the top left of your screen and select Products. You'll see that this takes you back to the main menu, which is where you started. From here, you can shop for items by other various attributes, including items that you've purchased previously, Sprouts brand, organic, and new items. Keep scrolling and you can browse items by department. What if you're looking for a specific item though? Easy, just tap the magnifying glass at the top of your screen next to the menu icon. From here, you can either search for an item that you're looking for by typing it into the search bar or select the barcode scanner. I love pizza, so I'm going to try searching pizza, then hit search. I'm going to go ahead and add the Sprouts Organic Frozen Pizza to my list because that sounds great. Now, let's say you're running low on your favorite Sprouts brand chips and you want to see if it's on sale and add it to your shopping list. Simply tap the magnifying glass again at the top middle of the screen, and this time go ahead and select the barcode scanner icon. You'll need to allow the app to use your camera for this. Now, using your camera, scan the barcode on the back of the bag. Great, now you can see the current price and you can easily add it to your shopping list. Plus, if you scroll down, you can see other related items. After you finish building your shopping list, just tap on the shopping icon at the top right of the screen. Here, you can add notes or make adjustments. And while you're shopping, you can check off items on your list as you go. And if you're on desktop or laptop computer, you can actually print your list as well. In the next video, you'll learn how to start saving even more with mobile coupons.